Hello. Today I'm going to be making a video of the ceiling fan in my parents' bedroom of the apartment that we're staying here in South Carolina. Literally the exact same fan as the one in the living room over there. But this time it's it's just installed in a different room. So the switches are actually right here, and this is the bathroom area, the master bathroom. Anyways, let's demonstrate the fan for you. Starting off with the light. It's nice. I think it's got like a standard incandescent in there. Pretty nice. Hold on, let me switch the chain to high speed, because, that's the speed. Because I think it's on medium by the switch, I just wanted to change it to that, so. And all these fans are quiet, by the way. None of them are like. Alright, well, this one has a bit of a start of noise, but I don't count that. None of them are like particularly noisy, like make buzzing noises or anything. And none of them wobble either, so it's nice. This thing really does blow a good amount of air. I could see getting cold with this if you run this all night on high. But yeah. Anyways, next for medium speed. Which is the speed they kept it on medium last night. It does kind of make a little bit of like vibration noises. I don't know where that's coming from, probably the mounting. And now for low speed. And I'll put it back on medium where it was. I'll turn it off by the switch. Here's the light one more time. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That is the second out of the three, because there's three of these fans in this apartment. One of these unknown ceiling fans in this apartment. This is the second one in the master bedroom. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I guess I'll also show you the light in the living room one more time. This one's got a CFL in this one. The other one has a incandescent. But thank you guys for watching.